Well, we went digging in as usual. The fun about these is it's even worse than the RCI versions. People don't like they sandwich boards. Well, this thing is all sandwiched, but ribbon cables. And here's the segments: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that first digit, look what we got there. Right here, traces start making contact. We need to go ahead and put in some solder. Hopefully it's that simple, because man, digging in these is never fun. Well, that looks a lot better. Did a little reflow here, and all the connections are now on that as well. Hopefully that's all it is. Like I said, these are fun to dig into. Not at all. Anyway, so I was thinking of putting on the scan, which you actually solder right in here. I was going to take the scan board I had, but I'm just going to hold off for now. I can always come back and do that later. It's already wired for the pins. It doesn't have any other optional accessories, but I don't like these things apart. I like them together. So let's go ahead and just get everything back together, solder all the points back, put all the screws back, take a look at everything else, and make sure it's all ready to go before powering it up. Okay, so we got it back together. Got that digit fixed. And it was just the solder joint. So yeah, just like some of the CB radios, they're different, but they're all the same sometimes. If they have, two 90-degree parts making an angle there, and they use solder to keep them together. Same with like Galaxy channel displays, a lot of those as well that have everything all in the encoder. But yeah, this one we got it back, so I'm not going to do anything else with it right now. I'm going to put the covers on it, enjoy it, and yeah, that's that other one. I'll get the scanning module in there, and the SP1 in there. But yeah, for right now, this looks like it had all the service updates in it. They did the double grounding, ground out all the screws on all of these so they aren't loosened up. So yeah, pretty nice. Everything's kind of nice, so I like it. But yeah, let's go ahead and operate it. It's actually a rare one to be able to use. I got a whole pile of them actually. They're in different sets of disrepair, but not this one. All right, hope it helps someone getting this working if you're having issues with it. But yeah, I even found the rechargeable battery backup that you can add to these. The actual one that will charge it up on battery, and then it'll end up keeping the memory for a couple of weeks. And use a 9-volt rechargeable, so that'll be pretty nice and easy. And but anyway, yeah, we'll go ahead and say this one is repaired. Let me get the covers on it. Maybe get you on the air. See you all in the next one. Thank you all.